Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the HYPATA Treadmill, and I have to say, it's packed with some impressive features. First off, the 300 pounds weight capacity is a game changer, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The 2.5 horsepower motor ensures a stable and quiet indoor running experience, and the 3-level adjustable incline adds a nice touch for varied workouts. Setting up this treadmill is a breeze, literally took me around 5 minutes. The soft drop folding technology is a space-saving marvel, folding up to about 40%, leaving you with more room when it's not in use. The LED display is multifunctional, providing real-time data on speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and the 12 preset programs keep your workouts diverse. What caught my attention is the thoughtful design with 2 water bottle holders on the panel. Hydration within arm's reach is always a plus. Now, let's talk about comfort. The 15.7-inch wide 5-layer non-slip texture belt with shock-absorbing features ensures a comfortable and safe running experience, especially for your knees and muscles. The treadmill has undergone rigorous certifications, passing C, ROHS, CB, EN 957, IEC by SGS, ensuring its quality and safety. And to sweeten the deal, a 2-year quality service is provided for both the motor and the frame, with a 1-year guarantee for any quality problem. In summary, the HYPATA Treadmill is a solid choice for those looking to bring their running or walking workouts indoors. With easy assembly, space-saving design, and a powerful motor, it ticks a lot of boxes for a home treadmill. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.